Welcome to East Cannington Station. This is where you can park your vehicles. You may need to pay a parking fee. More of that you can find on the transport app if you want to know more. And that's where the parking stand is. The parking stand is where you can pay the ticket for the day. I'll take you there. This is the bike shelter, and again, if you want to park your bike over here, you need to pay. More of that you can find in the transport app, which I'll link over here. So this is the smart parker over here, so you can pay for the duration of your vehicle. So you can say it's $2 per day, and the time starts from 5 AM to 9 PM, which is really good because you have it early morning till night. And if you are cycling, you can also park your cycle bikes over here. So if you're going, there's two platforms, platform 1 and platform 2. The first platform 2 will take you to Armadale or Thornhill. This is where you need to take on and off. The second one, you have to walk on the opposite side, and then on the opposite side you will also find bus as well. The bus that I'm actually going on is going to be on stand 4, so you will see the directions over here for all the bus stands. So stand 1 and 2 is there, and 3 to 6 is on the left hand side. Now if you're going to Perth City, you'll have to come take a step up over here. Don't forget to tag on your card over here. Since I'm actually going to the Stockton place, so I am taking a bus. I do not have to tag on and toggle off. I can show you around on top as well. I will have to wait for stand 4, so I will walk till the stand 4. As you can see, this is stand 4, place where I'm going to wait for my bus. You have seats over here to sit down and wait, and this is the stand 4 that I have to wait. The best thing is you can see the timetables over here, Monday to Friday, Saturdays and Sundays. You can also see the live updates over here as to when your transport would be coming. So my transport is coming at 11 AM. I'm just going to wait for that for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna go. So you can take it from here, and I'm just gonna use my card. So this is the tap on. Let's go tap it on, and then let's go.
Thank you for your cooperation.
And what a timing! So we got our station. Yeah, so let's go in. But if you're wondering, there's a machine over here. I'll show you. So there's a machine over here. This is where you right. Let's quickly get on.